Hello friends, I am Jignasu Chauhan from the Mathematics Department of Virani Science College, Rajkot. In today's video, we are going to learn how to download and install the setup of GeoGebra Classic 5. GeoGebra is an open source mathematical software which can be used for various mathematical problems of geometry, algebra, statistics. It can also be used as CAS, that means computer algebra system. We will discuss in detail about the GeoGebra in the videos later on. Today let us start with how to install the setup, how to download the setup of GeoGebra Classic 5, and later on how to install it. First of all, let us open any browser like Chrome or Firefox. You may just Google search GeoGebra latest setup download. You may add words like for Windows, as today's session is for downloading the setup for Windows. Once you have searched, you are finding the first link, that is download GeoGebra apps, in the website www.geogebra.org. Let us click on this link. We see that the home page of geogebra.org website is open before us. On this page, you observe various links here, and at the bottom you are finding app downloads. You can just click on the app downloads, and you see that you have got all these links for downloads of various GeoGebra apps. These are various apps for iOS, Android, Windows, Mac, etc. Today we are interested in downloading the setup for GeoGebra Classic 5. So here it is. We may just click the download link over here, and the download will start. You can see that the download has already been started. As I have already downloaded the setup of GeoGebra, let us use this setup to install the GeoGebra on our desktop computer. So we just double click or right click and open the setup exe. Once it is asking you whether you want to install this program on your computer or not, we say yes, and we may select the language from here. We select English and press next and agree to the terms of the GeoGebra open source license. It is asking us whether you want to install the standard setup or you want to customize it. As we are beginner to learn the GeoGebra, For a beginner, it is recommended that we install the standard version of the GeoGebra. So we just select keep this selected standard and install. We just click the install button and the dialog box. We can observe that it is quickly installing the GeoGebra on your computer. If you want to see the details, you can also see the details here. Now it is telling us that it is on the verge of completing the GeoGebra 5 setup. GeoGebra 5 has already been installed on your computer. Let us click the finish, and if we want to run the GeoGebra right now, then we keep this run GeoGebra 5 checked, otherwise we may uncheck it. So let us keep it checked and finish, and let us wait. It will open GeoGebra for us. So you can see that it has launched the GeoGebra for us. If you are the first user, then you have to sign up with your email and password, and you have to create an account in order to use the shared content on the geogebra.org website. You can use your Google account or Facebook account or other social media accounts in order to sign up. Click next. If you do not want to sign up, you may directly use the GeoGebra. You start using GeoGebra. This is the interface of the GeoGebra. By default, it is giving us 3 views. First one is the algebra view, second one is graphic view. In this window you have got input bar, and all these are various buttons of the graphical user interface of your GeoGebra. And here you can see the file menu, from where you can use the various file menu options. So friends, that's all for today's this session of downloading and installing GeoGebra Classic 5 on your Windows based computer. Thank you. Have a nice time.